Hey guys, today I'm going to try a new type of videos, nature disasters. I think you guys all heard about the Tonga volcano eruption and its tsunami that hits the shore of Tonga and nearby area. However, recently Tonga officially says they have reported a wave of up to 50 meters. But is it really possible to expect that huge wave at this time? Today I'm going to talk about it. The map shows about the locations of the Tonga volcano and the nearby area like the North Island of New Zealand and nearby other regions. To solve this problem, we first need to know some of the concepts first. Gravity, average water depth near the volcano, distance from Tonga to the North Island of New Zealand, the wavelengths of the waves, and here is an assumption value. Now we found the equation to calculate the velocity. I calculating it, and then also I estimated the time to travel to the North Island of New Zealand. It's just about 2 hours and a half. But how likely the Pacific Islanders is going to expect a 50 meters wave this time? To do this, I found some statistics like the average water depth near the capital city of Tonga. Its normal wave height in January. And also, I found the equations to calculating the wave increasement when it hits the shore. And I found like 7 meters, 8 meters are more likely to happen if it's going worse. Therefore, so the possibility that the Pacific Island is going to see a 50 meters tsunami waves seems very impossible. But however, other kinds of geography features can affect the destructiveness and height of the tsunami, like the Pacific Island chains, Micronesia, Polynesia, something like that, and also the topography under the ocean. Now, I also want to talk about the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami and the 2011 East Japan tsunami because they are the two of the most destructive ones in this century. First, we can take a look at the comparison between these two tsunamis. Both are very devastated tsunamis, but why the causality are quite different? Now let's take a look at it. 2004 Indian tsunami. This one is the transoceanic tsunami travel at a faster speed than the Tonga tsunami this time. Some area like Bangladesh, Thailand, the southern Thailand, like Phuket Islands, were very close to the epicenter of the original earthquake. So, and also when it hits the shallow shore, the waters brought up like way fast. And also, since it was the Christmas time, though, lots of international tourists will stay there, though, and they were not aware about the upcoming disaster at that time. And also lack of the protection of the chain islands, as we saw in the map though, the water traveled 1,000 miles and reached to the coast of East Africa and caused the casualties there too. Next, because no major tsunami were happening over a century in this area, most of the people are lack of the information of it, and also lack of warning system delayed the time to evacuate the people on the ocean. Now let's talk about the 2011 East Japan tsunami. So this was a local tsunami that happened at a relatively shallow ocean, and which slowed down the traveling speeds, and also the islands of Honshu was also like a big barrier that stopped the tsunami to travel like 1,000 miles to its nearby sea areas. And also Japan did much better jobs in like a warning system, so it saves a lot of lives. Now, in a word, the plots of many disaster films are probably not based on scientific evidence, but this does not indicate that we all know about our blue planet. So please keep your heart with all. This is my first time trying this new kind of types though. I hope you'll like it. Thank you.